again got alternately arranged ridge and valley. But in this case, ridge is having what? Alternate hard and soft. In this ridge, what is there? Only hard rock. But in this ridge, what is there? Hard and soft rocks. Understood it? Hard and soft. And this is known as Zeugane. Or ridge will have what? Which kind of rock? Hard and soft rock. Is it okay? Clear? So we can be able to see like this become ridge. तो यहाँ पे क्या था? Hard and soft rocks are what? Alternately but vertically arranged. Alternately but vertically arranged. And here we have been, so softer rocks have been eroded, and then hard rocks are less eroded. And then this way, ridge and valley, and that is known as what? Yardan. That is known as Yardan. And thereafter, here we have been able to see what? Hard and soft rocks are horizontally arranged, and hard rocks टूट कर फिर यहाँ तक धीरे धीरे आ रहा है. So here it is, what is it? Hard and soft rocks are what? Alternately but horizontally arranged. And धीरे धीरे ये hard टूट गया, cracks and all. Then finally यहाँ तक धीरे धीरे बढ़ते आ रहा है. Yes. And this is known as what? Zeugane. Clear? और यहाँ पर ऐसे दिखते हैं यारडांग एंड ज़्यूगेन. वहाँ पे तो कुछ और दिख रहा था, यहाँ कुछ और दिख रहा है. But generally these regions are get flooded with what? तो कैसा दिखेगा? Individual topography, individual and isolated kind of it. They are not looking like what? Connected. Getting my point? ये सैंड से फ्लडेड हो चुका है, और यहाँ पर एक आपको मिल सकता है. दैट इज इन अ काइंड ऑफ व्हाट? ridge and valley. Understood? So which are the landform we have seen? That is in a kind of erosional phenomena. So which are we have seen? Tell me first. First I said deflation hollow, Artesian well, mushroom rock. First I said deflation hollow, Artesian well, mushroom rock. Is it okay? Then I said ventifacts, and within the ventifacts, ecanters, recanter, recanter, recanters, recanter, recanter. And then we have seen Yardan and Zeugane. ये है फ्री फेस और ये डेब्रिस, एंड ये कहाँ पर है? इन द एरिड सेमी एरिड. I said now what we have to see? Plateau, Mesa, Butte, Pinnacle. What we have to see? Plateau, Mesa, Butte, Pinnacle. So this is when I said that flat tube. What is this? And you know that flat tube क्या होता है? It should be at least 400, 500, 600 meter, this kind of height, table land structure. So what is this? Table land like structure. And where it is? In the desert. Table land like structure. And then upper surface is capped with hard rock. Upper surface capped with hard rock. Understood it? Upper surface, tell me first. किस तरह capped किया गया? Hard rock. Understood it? Clear? And then नीचे में क्या होगा? Just tell me. This is a soft rock, and the softer rocks will keep on, what is it? Eroding. And then suppose this softer rock has been eroded from here, and then this section has been eroded, and after that the material has been deposited like this. Material has been what? यहाँ से डेब्रिस यहाँ पे डिपोजिट होगा ना, टूट के गिरेगा तो ऐसे ही तो डिपोजिट होगा. Yes, getting my point? And now this hard rock will be overhanging. What will happen? आप लोग का दिमाग? Yes. Under gravity, collapse. Under gravity, and the same thing will happen from this side. And when it has been collapsed, this hard rock has been what? Collapsed. And this is known as what? Mesa. Means surrounding region is covered by what? Always this region will be standing, cliff. In the plateau case, surrounding region is what is the peripheral region is cliff, free face, cliff, and it should be always hard rock. The surrounding region is having, yes, tell me. Cliff means standing. Is it okay? Collapsed, weathering, ये सारे होते रहेंगे. This is known as a mesa. Further, this region or यहाँ से it will keep coming down, and then this region has been also further what? By the deflated sand particles, they keep on what? Eroding. And again then थोड़ा सा weathering and all, it has been collapsed and it come over here. Then is smaller than, it is known as what? But it is again surrounded by whom? Surrounded by whom? Yes, tell me. Cliff. This structure is what? Vertically standing. Getting my point? And thereafter it keeps on happening. Again the erosion keeps on happening. And then we have been able to see like Earth. And this region is slowly and slowly weathered and collapsed. This become the top of the structure become narrow, which is in a hard capped rock become what? And it is known as pinnacle. It is known as, understood it? Yes. Abrasive action by the deflated sand particle on the softer. Understood? And upper one, the collapsing under the gravity and then by the weathering, keeps on coming down, and then ये क्या आपको दिख रहा है? It is in a kind of what? Very narrow kind of structure if it is. Pinnacle. मे बी इट इज लिटिल ब्यूट. तो ये प्लेट्यू, मेसा, ब्यूट एंड आई सेड दैट समझ में आ गया. So which are the landform we have seen in the desert? Erosional. First it is deflation hollow, artesian well, mushroom rock, and उसके बाद हमने देखा ventifacts. In the ventifacts, ecanter, zoocanter, drecanter. In ventifacts, ecanter, zoocanter, drecanter. After that, yarkatang और उसके बाद में जो yardang, jugen. एंड जूं देख लिया तो अब चलो भागो वहां से प्लेट्यू पर. प्लेट्यू, मेसा, ब्यूट, पिनाकल. अंडरस्टूड इट? प्लेट्यू, मेसा, किलर. Sometimes if you see that there is another is I said that, and this structure can be anywhere. It can be in the desert, it can be suppose I said that there is a hard rocks are there. And I said that there is this section of the rock is what? Soft. Yeah, this section of the rock is what? Soft. So I said that, so which rock, this harder rock will erode or softer rock will be eroded by deflected sand particle? कौन erode होगा? Softer rock will be eroded, and which kind of feature will get? Which kind of feature? If there is some kind of hard and soft rocks are like this, then the soft rocks will be what? And when it has been eroded, then this section can be look like I said that, और ये क्या है? Horizontal, and this is one. It is what? Inclined. और इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Steeply inclined, steeper, and it is known as escarpment. जैसे आपने वेस्टर्न घाट को देखा है ना? Escarp. Yes, western coast has an escarpment. So escarpment or only one limb, ये पूरा ये horizontal, one inclined. This is known as cuesta, or it is known as hog back. Cuesta or hog back. So which are the rocks? There will be now what? Hard rock and what is the soft rocks, and then softer rocks will be what? Easily eroded, and because of this we are able to get an inclined plane, and one horizontal plane, another is I said that inclined, जिसको बोला जाता है मोनोक्लिनल. याद है आप लोगों को? मोनोक्लिनल फोल्ड, यूनिक्लिनल, and that is I said that cuesta or hogback. CUESTA, cuesta or hogback.